When it comes to ship emergencies, being prepared can make all the difference. Let's dive into some critical situations you might face at sea and how to respond effectively. First up is a fire on board. If you smell smoke or see flames, your first step is to raise the alarm. Alert the crew immediately. Remember, every second counts. Locate the nearest fire extinguisher. These are usually marked and easy to find. Use the pass method. Pull the pin, aim low, squeeze the handle, and sweep from side to side. If the fire is too large to handle, evacuate the area and head to your designated muster station. Always know your escape routes and keep them clear. Next, let's talk about flooding. If you notice water where it shouldn't be, act quickly. First, identify the source. Is it a leak from a pipe, or has something fallen overboard? If it's a manageable leak, use available pumps to remove the water. If it's severe, follow the ship's emergency protocols. Close watertight doors if you can, and notify the crew. Staying calm and focused is essential in this situation. Now, what if someone goes overboard? This is a critical emergency. Immediately shout, "Man overboard," to alert the crew. Keep your eyes on the person in the water. Never take your gaze off them. Throw a life ring or flotation device to them, and if you're on a larger vessel, prepare to execute a recovery maneuver. The crew will have specific procedures for this, so follow their lead. Remember, time is of the essence, and every second counts. In an abandoned ship scenario, you must act quickly and efficiently. Know your life jacket location and how to put it on correctly. Follow the crew's instructions and head to the lifeboats or life rafts in an orderly fashion. Don't rush or push others. Panic can lead to chaos. Make sure you have your emergency kit, which should include essentials like water, a whistle, and a flashlight. Finally, let's address piracy. If you find yourself in a high-risk area, stay vigilant. Keep all doors and windows locked and report any suspicious activity to the crew. If a pirate attack occurs, follow the ship's security protocols. This may involve retreating to a safe room, securing all access points, and remaining quiet. Remember, your safety is the priority. Preparedness is key in all these scenarios. Familiarize yourself with the ship's emergency plans and participate in drills. Knowing what to do can save lives. If you found this information helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights on safety and preparedness. Stay safe out there.